Whose shoes are these? Alice, Lena, come here.
Hello, Mommy. Did you just get back from work?
Yes, Lena. Where is Alice?
She is in the toilet.
Okay, let's wait for her and I will ask you too. Hi, Mommy. How are you? I'm good, Alice. Come over here.
What's wrong, Mom?
Girls, look. The shoes are all over the place. Whose shoes are these?
They're not mine. They're Alice's.
They are mine, Mom. Alice, why are your shoes lying on the floor like that?
I'm sorry, Mom. I went home and had to rush to the toilet, so I threw them away.
And then?
And then I forgot I left them like that. Let me put them on the shoe rack.
Okay, next time don't forget again.
Yes, Mom.
But didn't you go home with Lena?
Yes, I did.
Did you see her leaving her shoes like that, Lena?
Yes, I saw.
Why didn't you put it on for her?
I thought she would go back and put them on the rack. I didn't expect that she stayed in the toilet for so long.
Next time, you should help your sister right away, okay? It only takes a few seconds.
Yes, Mom, I got it.
Why did you have to rush into the toilet?
I had a stomachache.
Do you feel better now?
Yes, I'm good now.
Okay, now go take a shower, then fold your clothes. I will prepare dinner very quickly.
Yes, Mommy.
Whose report is it? David, come in. Oliver, have you looked at this month's report? Yes, I have already seen. Let's sit down for a while to discuss. Okay. Is there any report that needs to be fixed or redone? There is a few reports that still need some adjustment. I wrote it down here. Yes, I will tell everyone. By the way, whose report is this? Let me have a look. Oh, this is Elisa's report. What is the problem? No problem. I just found that report to be very well done. Really? What's special about it? Yes, very detailed report. She also analyzed the data and gave out very sharp conclusions. Recently, her work results have always been extremely good. She also always works very hard. Really? What do you think about her overall performance? Objectively, her performance might be the best among the team, and very consistent. How about her leadership ability, in your opinion? She gets on very well with the team, but I'm not sure about her leadership ability. I think we should consider giving her a promotion. Appoint her to a team leader position. Why so sudden? It's not. We are also in need of management-level staff, though. Right. I also think she deserves a promotion. So, you discuss more with the staff about this promotion, then adjust the salary accordingly. Okay, so how about other reports? No problem. Please inform everyone to give back the revised version to me in 2 days. Okay. Whose car is this? William, do you want to go to my house and play games? Okay, let's play some FIFA online matches. Okay, whoever loses will have to pay for dinner. Deal? Yes, that sounds interesting. Let's go. Wow, Lucas, look! There is a beautiful car in front of your house. Yeah, it looks great, doesn't it? Whose car is this, Lucas? Is it yours? Of course not. It's James's car, my housemate. Wow, it's so beautiful. He must be very rich to ride this car. You won't believe it, but he got it by luck. Luck? What do you mean? He just won a lottery. What? Really? Yeah, for real. Unbelievable, right? Yes, incredible. He almost fainted when he heard that he won the lottery. I would be so shocked too if I were him. Yeah, I've bought many lotteries and never win once. Me too. Oh, here he is, the owner of this beautiful car. Hi, Lucas. What are you doing? James, this is my friend William. We are admiring your car. Hi, James. Nice to meet you. You have such an amazing car. Hi, William. Nice to meet you too. Thank you. We will play a FIFA football game. Do you want to join? Maybe later when I'm back if you still play, but I have to go out now. Okay, no problem. Just knock on my door when you come home. Sure. See you till then. See ya. Let's come in and play the game. Don't forget our bet. Yeah, let's go.